all it takes is a little continuity to find yourself a real good opportunity from 20 yards.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 5:15 p.m. At 4:25 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over near O'Hare Airport, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Cicero, Evanston, Skokie, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, Oak Park, Park Ridge, Niles, West Town, Englewood, Chicago Lawn, Austin, West Ridge, Lincoln Park, Bridgeport, Chicago Loop, South Lawndale, Lakeview, and Irving Park. This includes Brookfield Zoo, Lincoln Park Zoo, Loyola University, Triton College, University of Chicago, Hawthorne Park, Northeastern Illinois University, Soldier Field, University of Illinois Chicago, Guaranteed Rate Field, Illinois Institute of Technology, Wheatley Field, The Loop, Museum of Science and Industry, Museum Campus, and Northerly Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building.